What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty. My blog is thexking.com. In today's video, I just want to let's put this. I just want to give you an update video of the Dosh cashback app and how wonderful it is to have this app on my Fire Stick. Okay, so first of all, I love this app, and you see how much money I made so far. I made $31.06, and it's a pretty simple app. All you have to do is link your debit and credit card to this link. And by the way, before we get to that, let's see here. Before we get to that, use my referral link. Okay, use my referral link, and you get a free $5. All right, so you get a free $5, and so use my referral link. All right, please use my referral link. So I've made $31.06. And I'm gonna show you my history real quick. So I go a lot of Sam's Club, Dunkin' Donuts. They just recently added Wendy's up here because it's not on the list. So I went to Wendy's, like I normally do. I went 2 weeks ago, didn't get any cash back. Usually this time, I got cash back. Pretty neat, right? So, I go to Sam's Club a lot. Me and my wife go to Sam's Club. We got pizza, Kroger as well, Marty's Grill, more Sam's Club. I got a referral. I got Denny's up here, Chili's, and Chili's not added up here, but it's up there. So I made $31 just from buying food and normally what I do anyway. So it's pretty neat to have this app. And I have other cashback apps. I have other gas apps as well. So this is free money. You should download this app. Okay, you should download this app, and let's see what stores. And these are all the stores that's near me now. So Wendy's is a new one they added. Yeah, Mama J's here, Soul Taco, Deep Run House. A lot of restaurants here. See the online stuff. You can use it online as well. If you buy Papa John's online. If you get a Sam Club membership, you get cash back. I just missed that. I don't know what they're talking about. So here's the map here, and it shows you, pretty much, all the stores stuff they have here. So yeah, I like it so far. I love it, man. I love it. You have hotels here too. If you use one of the hotels, you get cash back. If you're going to Florida, use the Dosh app. You get $35 back, which is pretty neat. You have trips here. Here's my wallet, and yeah, go to categories here. Food and drink. Let's try food and drink. I'll try shopping. And it's all the shopping near me. Forever 21, Wendy's, Sam's, Macy's, Elbow Arrangements. I mean, pretty neat. And rack room shoes as well. I mean, Carter's. You have a kid, use Carter's. Elbow Arrangements. I mean, it's a good app to use. I made $31.06 using this app. I had the app for a while. And we go to Sand Club maybe twice a month. So the Sand Club is not the biggest one, but we go there the most. So that's it for the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But you should use this app in conjunction with the Pay app, which, look at my YouTube channel, I have a video for that. Use it with the Gas app, Get Upside Gas app. Use it with the True Now Gas app. Use all these apps to get money. Because let me tell you something. You got to go to the stores anyway. You still got to go to the stores regardless. You got to pump gas in your car. You go to Sam's or the grocery store, go to Kroger. Why not get some money back in the same process? Okay, so that's the end of my video. Again, use my referral code and you get a $5 as well. Okay, Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.